You guys never did a
What's up, Bear?
long time. What's up?
Where we at?
Walmart.
What are we doing, bro?
I don't know.
Shoot. Shit. Shit. Yeah. Just chilling. Come here, bro. Let's go this way. I'm gonna introduce us to Walmart. Gonna show. Hey, vet porroso bigaret. Try on your glasses, bro. Try the glasses on. What's it that? Hey, what's it? Pull the tag up. Try this one. Try this one. That's it. Ah, there you go. There you go, bro. Try it on. Alright, let's go. What the heck? Boom, 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 boom. Gotta jump, huh? Tick. Soap. Dude. Hey.
No, you shouldn't even put that name on your jersey.
What is it?
Black man.
Black man. Let's walk around. Ready? This way. Yeah. Say, we are in the chips aisle.
We are in the chips aisle.
Doritos? Show them Doritos. Say, these are the Doritos. Which one is your favorite? Tell them your favorite.
The blue one.
The blue one. That's Harrow's, Bear's favorite. Oh, and there's Micro Man. Say, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to Talking
YouTube.
YouTube.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace.